How to make poll in Messenger group chat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Messenger and log into your account. And once you do that, go to the group conversation that you want to make a poll in. Once you're here, click on the 4 dots at the bottom left of the screen. Then click on polls, and here you will be able to create your poll. You can create text poll and most likely to which is a voting system. So in this poll you can create, say for example, you can add your question and add the options as you want. And once you're done, click on at the bottom create poll, and it will be created, so people can just click on it and vote, then click on submit. They can even change their vote. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can create a poll in a Messenger group chat. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.